Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using TikTok. Alright, so first off, we're using very simple, easy to make, easy to create TikToks to see if we can get sales with it. Have no idea if it'll working out. We'll see what's going on. The page been slowing down, but we're gonna see what's going on and see what happens. If you're interested in following along, links in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Now let's get started. Alright, so at first let's go check and see how we doing here. We're gonna refresh the TikTok page here, see what we're doing here. We got 70. Okay, we got 75 followers. Okay, so like I stated before, it kind of slowed down a bit. We get to 1,000 and we can put our link in. People can still go to this link. It's not a big deal, but I want to get the link in. I'll definitely start getting sales then. Anyway, guys. Yeah, sorry about that. All right, so we are going to go to our page here. We need to get a quote here. We're gonna go for motivational quotes. Cannot become what we want by remaining what we. Okay, I like that one. We cannot become what we want by remaining what we are. Okay. Alright. We cannot become what we want by remaining what we are. Okay, so we're gonna change these to yellow, I think. I'm gonna go really strong yellow. Maybe a little brighter. There we go. We're gonna do it for remaining as well. Type yes. Okay, running through this pretty quickly. So next we want a photo here. We're gonna go with beach or something like that. Let's go with astonishing people. For the filters here, we want vertical. Just look for something that looks solid. Oh, videos. Want a video. Alright, so we just scroll down a little bit. How this looks. If it was outside and the wind was on, that'd be nice. Okay. I'm trying to decide a good photo here. Let's go with this one. No, nothing's really happening. What about this? It looks really nice. Let's go with that. Okay, so we go back to the page here. We're gonna put this video in right here. Simple as that. Let it load. It don't make sound, but we're gonna mute it anyway. Put it in the background. Replace background. Boom. All right. Also want to brighten it up a bit. I like brightening it up. Very saturated colors kind of pop and really kind of helps when it comes to catching attention. That's why I do that. Anyway, let's find a song real quick. We're gonna go with motivational here. Alright guys, we're gonna lower it so you guys don't get bombarded with music here. it in epic. To the champion. Do I got this on? Alright, so we're gonna go to uploads and looks. We got that song in there. Do we got it? Don't look like we got it. So let's get it. Let's get this song. I like this song. I just want to make sure I didn't have it first. It sounded like something I already done grabbed. Excuse me, guys. Sorry about that. Got a little cold coming in, it looked like. That's it. Right here. Put it on about 6. Now let me look at it real quick. That works. Sounds pretty good. Alright guys. I'm gonna download this. And now let's find out what we're gonna post here. First, let's just grab a what we're gonna say, and we need to find an upload. Grow with your success. Let me pick something like that. Grow. Grow with success. Okay, you grow with success. That's good. That's good enough. All right. So, what's our date here? Today's Saturday, 11 a.m. All right. Now they want me to post. So far, it's been about a week, guys, and we've been kind of following the same schedule. And what I'm gonna start doing is making my own schedule. I'm deciding I'm gonna start posting at 11, 3, and wait. I don't know. Maybe I'll just follow the same one. I don't know. We'll just follow the schedule, so I don't have to think about it. Excuse me. So anyway, at this point, all we're doing is waiting for the TikTok to download. So I'm just kind of filling up the air with words. Don't really matter. There we go. All right. That in there. Say upload, and hopefully these little simple videos, what we'll do, we'll build up a following. As soon as I get my link that I want people, as soon as I get my lead, people start going to them, and that's about all there is to it, guys. And we're just gonna send it, boom, and we're done. It's just that simple, guys. And that's all we're doing. And once again, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. Make sure to hit the links in the description if you want to follow along. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.